monumental dam high in the Swiss Alps captivates not only the beautiful setting, but also the unfolding saga of an ambitious construction project. This isn't just a story about concrete and steel, it's also a story about perseverance and innovation. A journey that began with a dream to defeat nature's forces. From initial blueprints to overcoming adversities, each step in this adventure reflects a fusion of expertise and tenacity. As we stand at the dam's edge, looking into the reservoir, the enormity of the project becomes clear. A testament to human resilience against the breathtaking backdrop of the Swiss Alps. Allow the narrative to unfold as we enter the heart of engineering marvels and human ambition. Dedicated teams were undertaking the monumental task of constructing a new dam in the difficult terrain located 2,000 meters above sea level, far removed from any major urban center. Because of the harsh winter conditions in the area, the remote location is only accessible for a limited time each year. The challenging nature of the environment adds another layer of complication to the already complex process of dam construction. When considering the condition of the existing structure that looms behind it, the decision to build a new dam becomes obvious. The original dam, a nearly century-old relic, has succumbed to time and wear, displaying a significant crack and reaching irreparable damage. Recognizing the risks of ignoring this critical infrastructure, the decision was made to construct a new dam directly in front of the old one. This strategic approach ensures a smooth transition of water management capabilities while addressing the imminent threat posed by the existing dam's deteriorating condition. Engineers and workers collaborated to protect the region's water resources, reflecting a mix of necessity and innovation. Constructed in 1932, Speedalam, a pioneering arch-gravity dam, predates the renowned Hoover Dam, marking its significance in the annals of engineering marvels. Throughout its long-standing history, Speedalam has been a key player in shaping the regional landscape and contributing to the area's historical narrative. However, the passage of time has not been without consequences, as a substantial crack has emerged, casting a shadow of concern over the dam's structural integrity. This imperfection underscores the evolving challenges faced by aging infrastructure, emphasizing the delicate balance between preserving historical landmarks and addressing the pressing need for maintenance and potential structural interventions to avert a looming threat in the region. Undertaking the replacement of a colossal dam nestled in the heart of a mountain range presents an intricate and challenging endeavor. The initial proposition to mend the existing dam faced formidable risks, particularly the potential for enduring structural damage that could compromise its integrity over time. Faced with the complexity of the situation, the decisive course of action was to embark on the ambitious venture of erecting an entirely new dam in front of the existing structure. Commencing in 2019, the construction of the new dam, with an estimated cost of $140 million, is an elaborate process set to culminate in 2025. The intricate project involves the strategic use of controlled explosives to create staggered towers, the implementation of a massive tunnel system, and meticulous reservoir management. These measures are implemented not only to ensure the structural soundness of the new dam, but also to mitigate potential environmental impacts and enhance overall safety. This multifaceted initiative reflects a commitment to technological innovation and sustainable engineering practices, showcasing the dedication to safeguarding both human lives and the surrounding ecosystem. Construction projects in extreme conditions present an array of challenges that necessitate relentless focus and adaptability on the part of construction teams. The daunting task of navigating through snow-covered landscapes and traversing death-defying roads necessitates a level of expertise and precision that exceeds that of typical construction endeavors. The logistical challenges, which are exacerbated by the harsh environment, add another layer of complexity to the project. However, it is in the face of adversity that the true resilience of construction teams is revealed. These teams' tireless commitment and resourcefulness demonstrate their ability to overcome formidable obstacles, transforming what appears insurmountable into a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance in the face of nature's harshest conditions. Finally, the construction site becomes a symbol of triumph over adversity, demonstrating the unbreakable spirit of those committed to turning challenges into triumphs. The energy landscape of Switzerland is complexly interconnected with a vast network of hydroelectric power plants, such as the formidable Grimsel 2. These facilities operate as the backbone of the nation's power generation, harnessing the force of flowing water to produce a consistent and reliable supply of electricity. The pumped storage system employed in plants like Grimsel 2 is a key contributor to Switzerland's energy security, allowing for efficient storage and utilization of excess energy during periods of low demand. As a result, these hydroelectric power plants not only serve as powerhouses during peak consumption, but also act as strategic reservoirs, capable of releasing stored energy when needed most. The synergy between natural resources and innovative engineering in Switzerland's hydroelectric infrastructure underscores its commitment to sustainable and resilient energy solutions, ensuring a stable power supply for the nation. The residents of this appealing region, which is located near the formidable Spitalam Dam, are no strangers to the unforgiving grip of harsh winters and massive snowfall that blankets their surroundings. As the landscape transforms into a winter wonderland, the challenges of living in such extreme conditions become apparent. The resilient locals navigate through the season with a tenacity that is both admirable and awe-inspiring. Amidst the pristine white expanses, a dedicated tour guide emerges as a beacon of knowledge, offering visitors a profound understanding of the unique lifestyle shaped by the demanding environment. Through compelling storytelling, this guide not only imparts information about the dam, but also provides a glimpse into the daily struggles and triumphs of those who call this challenging terrain home. Their narratives illuminate the resilience required to not just endure, but thrive in the face of nature's formidable forces, creating a deep appreciation for the strength and spirit of the community that perseveres in the shadow of Spitalam Dam. Undertaking the transportation of materials for construction, particularly the intricate task of assembling colossal cranes, presents a complex logistical puzzle. The site's remote location adds an additional layer of complexity to the equation, as the construction team grapples with the challenges posed by winding mountain passes. Navigating through these rugged terrains demands meticulous planning and execution, as the sheer scale and weight of the equipment necessitate strategic coordination to ensure a seamless and efficient construction process. The logistical intricacies involved in the transportation of materials underscore the need for innovative solutions and adept project management to overcome the distinctive challenges presented by the site's remoteness and challenging topography. This project exemplifies the resourcefulness and expertise required to conquer the unique obstacles inherent in construction endeavors situated in such remote and demanding environments. Switzerland's distinctive topography, characterized by its mountains and pristine lakes, provides an ideal setting for the existence of more than 200 dams and an impressive network of 700 hydropower stations. These structures stand as testaments to Switzerland's commitment to harnessing the power of water to meet its energy needs, while maintaining environmental sustainability. Among these engineering marvels, Grimsel 2 stands out as a shining example. Situated in the heart of the Alps, Grimsel 2 represents the epitome of cutting-edge hydroelectric technology, utilizing the gravitational force of water to generate electricity. The country's strategic investment in such infrastructure not only ensures a consistent and reliable energy supply, but also underscores Switzerland's dedication to renewable energy sources, contributing to a global shift towards cleaner and more sustainable power generation. We are reminded of the profound impact that construction has on shaping the fabric of our lives and communities as we marvel at the awe-inspiring construction endeavors displayed in this captivating environment. The transformative nature of these projects emphasizes construction's ability to shape not only physical structures, but also the very essence of our surroundings. It is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of individuals and teams who contribute to the development of infrastructures that serve as examples of human achievement. If you found inspiration in this video and seek to explore further the world of construction, consider subscribing to our channel, the definitive source for all things. By doing so, you'll stay connected with the latest developments, innovations, and remarkable feats that continue to shape the world.